Hey Ram, what are you cooking today?
You know what I'm cooking. I'm going to cook our favorite Sunday meal, rice dal and subji.
Yummy.
So we are going to share our recipe of the dal and the subji.
Fantastic.
We are going to use speed red lentils.
Yeah.
I love them because they are really yummy and also they cook really fast. And also when they break down, they create a very creamy dal, you know?
They go like a bit like soupy, don't they?
Yeah, very soupy. So what I'm going to use for the dal, here we have the ingredients.
Okay.
Vegetable oil,
Yeah.
you can use ghee, but we
Yeah.
are going to do the vegan version. So vegetable oil, whatever you like. You want to use olive oil because we are in the Mediterranean side. So ginger, then we are going to use mustard seeds and cumin.
Cumin seeds, yeah.
And then the spices, we are going to use turmeric,
Curcuma, if you
curcuma, yeah, cinnamon sticks, clove, and cardamom.
Okay.
And then salt and black pepper.
Yeah.
And also we are going to use hing. This is an Indian ingredient. If you don't know, guys, you can find in Indian grocery shops. And it's very good for the digestive system. It's an ingredient that is really used in Ayurvedic meals.
Yeah.
And also, to put my sang in this dal, I like to put one of my favorite vegetables, kale. So
I guess you could use spinach if you wanted.
you can use a spinach, or you can use also silver beet, but I love to use kale. So let's go to cook.
Awesome.
Okay, come with me to the kitchen. Okay, let's go to start to cook. I add the oil. I add the ginger. With the ginger, I add the cumin seeds, the mustard seeds is 1 teaspoon each. And when they start to pop, I'm going to add the turmeric. And with the turmeric, I'm adding the black pepper.
That's a pinch.
Yeah. Yeah, but this is more the like of each one. And now I'm adding the rest of the spices. And now I put a bit lower. Now I was forgetting the hing, just a pinch.
Pinch of hing.
So, and
Oh,
now,
it smells so good, all those
Yes,
different
really
spices
good.
and flavours.
and now we add the
Onion.
onion and put the fire a bit up. Till the onions will get a bit cooked.
So you cut them, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, the smell is very, very good.
Always you can add a bit more oil if you feel that you need it. This is the secret.
Well, you've got to get all the spices covered, don't you? And the spices pop and...
Just a few minutes. And now we are going to add the lentils. Stir a bit, that all the spices mix well with the lentils. We are going to add water or vegetable stock. And because always the lentils gets really sticky, what I do, I put the stock or the water in the pot where I have the rest of the lentils. And so I am able to get all inside. So, and now I'm going to put a bit of salt and a bit more black pepper. I like black pepper. And what I'm going to do, just closing, being very careful, because this is going to start to boil again, and when it will start to boil and it's going to suck the first water, then we are going to add more water. And we have to be really looking after it, because we don't want to get, what's the name?
Dry and stuck.
Stuck on the bottom.
Okay.
So let's go to wait for a few minutes, start to boiling, stir, and then adding more water, and then when we will be boiling, just we are going to turn the burner down and just looking it after. Okay, this starts to boil. It's perfect. And then if you feel that it gets stuck on the bottom, you can use a metal one, but it's not needed. And can you see, there's a lot of lentils here. So to break down, we'll need much longer time and much water. So now, without fear, we can add a bit more water. But I like to pour the water slowly, you know, because if you pour too much water, then it's too runny, and I like to do the dal more creamy. So we are going to have it there. Okay, this is boiling again. You can see a lot of lentils start to break down. And now I'm going to add a bit more water. If not, we will be without water very soon, but always slowly. I like to check every few minutes. And now I'm going to turn a bit down the fire and just
So
covering.
So it's a simmer.
Yeah, and covering, and let's go. Okay, the rest of the kale is ready. Beautiful kale, I love it. Because I add a bit of kale in the dal, I'm going to season a bit more with more black pepper. I think I can add just all that. And our secret ingredient, if you like hot dal, we are going to add a hot chili. We love it.
That's cayenne, yeah?
Yeah. No, it's not cayenne, it's hot chili from India. So now these 5-7 minutes max, this will be ready. Okay. Okay, let's go to serve the dal. You look with the kale, I love it, you know. This green color that is giving. So we are going to serve here our meals. This is for you and me, Karen.
Okay, great.
Okay, our dal.